Okay, boys and girls, we're going to look at our coins, our U.S. currency coins, and our values. And then we're going to compare the values. And when I'm talking about comparing numbers or values, we're talking about using signs greater than or less than. In this case, I'm only going to use the greater than, and I will show you why. But let's take a look at our coins first. So over here, we have our quarter. We have our back of the quarter, our front of the quarter. Our word for quarter is Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, and it is worth 25 cents, 25 in our cent sign. And another way to write that is our dollar sign, 0.25. Next we have our dime. There's our back of the dime. Here's our head, our front of the dime. Our word for dime is D-I-M-E, dime. And that's worth 10 cents, 1 0 in our cent sign. We could also write it with a dollar sign 0.10. Next we have this nickel. We have our front and our back of our nickel. Here's our word, N-I-C-K-E-L, nickel. And that is worth 5 cents, 5 in our cent sign, or dollar sign 0.05. And lastly, we have our smallest of our American currency, the penny. The penny, and you can look at both sides of our penny. There's our head and our tail. Penny is P-E-N-N-Y, and is worth 1 cent. So the number 1 in our cent sign, or our dollar sign 0.01. Now, I mentioned earlier that I'm only going to use the greater than symbol to compare these, and this is why. Our quarter, our 25-cent value, is greater than our dime and our 10-cent value. Our dime is greater than our nickel in its 5-cent value. And then lastly, our nickel is greater than our penny in our 1 cent. So we have it in order of our values. So 25 cents is greater than 10 cents, is greater than 5 cents, and it is greater than 1 cent or 1 penny. And those are our coins for our American currency and their values.